going on, guys? I'm back with another video. I hope you like the new intro. I hope you like the new music. Created both those myself. Claim those copyright, right? Alright. Over here, looks like it's gonna dump. That's some major clouds, dark clouds. Tomorrow, there's gonna be a tutorial. Stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be how to put cards in your videos. After that, I've got something in mind, a micro scale warship. I'm gonna call it the SS Diarrhea.
But I thought you said you were the head chef on the SS Gourmet.
Did I say that? No, I clean the bathrooms on the Gourmet. I was the head chef on the SS Diarrhea.
Yeah, dude. Wanna ride bikes?
Huh?
Wanna ride bikes?
I don't know.
It looks like it's about to pour, so I'm gonna put the...
Yeah, it does. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's like...
It's really
It looks like it's gonna dump, so I wanna ride my bike around. Alright, you guys, let's get to the bike. Let's do this. Here we go, now you can hear. I had to open the case. Oh, look at it. I got up. Alright, you wanna ride around with us?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Alright, we're just gonna ride around the neighborhood. new camera, another new camera. That's new stacks.
He bought new stacks?
Yeah.
Why did he buy mine?
Hi.
I love you. Oh, so these are 6-inch.
That's for your dad's truck?
Finally, the sun's out.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, this was fun. I hope you liked this video. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Click that bell icon so you don't miss my videos. Do it. Peace out.